Some great news here for the fourth consecutive year. ONYX Engineering is pleased to announce it's been listed in CFE Media's, that's Control Engineering and Plant Engineering magazines, System Integrator Giants list. And joining us on the phone right now to talk a bit about it is VP of ONYX Engineering, Dino Oliva. Dino, good morning, and thank you so much for joining us. Oh, we're still waiting to get Dino on the line. Some great news. Joining us on the phone right now is Dino Oliva, VP of ONYX Engineering. Dino, good morning.
Good morning.
So congrats on this announcement. That's amazing. The System Integrator Giants list. For those who don't know, what is this list and what does it mean for ONYX to be listed?
So what the System Integrator Giants list, it lists all of the North American system integrators that are on the CFE Media Guide. And it is a collection of based on yearly revenue for system integration. Actually, it is worldwide, but it's primarily North America.
And amazing to be listed on there. It's great to have a local presence on there. And you are one of the owners, 33 years in the business, I believe. And I imagine you've witnessed many changes locally over the years in this industry.
Oh, absolutely. So when we first started back in 91, so they started off with basically old technology, and we've seen some of our equipment actually go through 2 or 3 generations of control systems, from isolated little machines to fully integrated systems that are tied into worldwide networks of system supplies and equipment supplies.
And something like this, that is constantly in evolution and changing. Is it safe to say it's almost a completely different business with all the innovations and leaps and bounds that have been made? Different business than it was back in 1991. Just the industry has changed so much.
No, absolutely. We've gone through. We have internally. We have a mandate for our people to go through continuing education. So we have a mandate where people have to keep up with technology. We have some high technology conferences that we go to, and we fully invest in our people. And yeah, absolutely. I mean, the systems that we created back in the 90s are obsolete. You can't even find the spare parts for these things anymore.
Right. Yeah, no, important to note that. That's the nature of the beast, so to speak. And I've been speaking to a lot of local businesses, a lot of companies lately, and a big challenge, finding employees. Is that a challenge for ONYX? And if so, why do you think this is a challenge, or is that not an issue in this industry?
Well, it is a challenge, and I think people find it's a challenge in all industries. One thing is that, just even finding the right person, the right fit for the job and for the work opportunity. And really what we do is help employers and really companies invest their people to be more productive in what they do. I mean, we find that a lot of even our processes we've automated internally to help the design process and the build process. And really that's what we do as a company for our customers.
And that is really interesting too. Like automation that's been a contentious topic on the show, automation, but really automation plays a part, as I understand it, in keeping employees engaged at ONYX.
Absolutely. I mean, we do the way that we look at it is that we free up employees from the mundane tasks that they used to have to do. And we were able to direct them to more productive and worthwhile activities within the company. We do that for ourselves, and we also do it for our customers.
I love that, how that's part of the evolution, too. Like anything that's robotic or automatic, you can get that automated, and then people can move on, express themselves a bit more, and feel a bit more part of the whole process. I love that. And fantastic news you made this list. It shows forward thinking. Do you think Windsor is in for a big overhaul as far as, engineering, manufacturing, technology goes, with all the changes coming, Stellantis, whatnot, coming up in the future?
It's a very exciting time for the city. I mean, we do have some very good educational systems around the area. We leverage heavily on University of Windsor and St. Clair College, but we also bring in talent from outside the area. We bring in people that were educated outside the country as well. So, I mean, we really need these high-tech people and people of knowledge and capability that want to kind of embrace technology, bring it into what they do, and bring ourselves forward. I mean, really, we need to do this as an area, as a province, as a country. We really need to embrace technology and incorporate it into what we do in order to be competitive on the world market.
Absolutely. Well, congrats again on making that list. Phenomenal news, and I appreciate your time calling the show today, Dino. Thank you so much.
Great speaking with you. Thanks.
You as well. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. That is Dino Oliva, who is VP of ONYX Engineering. Yeah, for the fourth consecutive year, ONYX Engineering, pleased to announce it has been listed in CFE Media's System Integrator Giants. Great to have a local presence on a list like this.